Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, this one, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. The market has opened and we can see that right now market is trying to go up. If you want a detailed analysis of Euro USD for this week, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. It was quite a long video, around 10 minutes. So I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So I will try to keep the video short. Okay, so market has opened and we can see that as per our expectation, there is a selling pressure on dollar right now, because dollar was constantly forming lower highs. So and we also had a trend line, so we were hoping that, or whenever we get a pattern or scenario like this, generally we see market breaking the support and going down. And right now you can see that there is a selling pressure on dollar going on, and as a result, due to the correlation, Euro USD is also going up. But as we all know, we have a resistance at 1.1666 level and Euro USD is just standing at the resistance right now. But my dear friend, do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market, because see, if you look at the chart here, then you can see that though market is standing at resistance. Okay, listen to me carefully. Though market is standing at resistance, but market has constantly forming, or market is constantly forming lower highs here, higher lows here. Or in simple words, whenever market came down, it did not cross the previous low. So it clearly signifies that buyers are present in the market. Or if you just observe the market carefully, then you can see that it looks like an ascending triangle pattern. And whenever we get an ascending triangle pattern, there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. So in this scenario, do not short the market right now, my dear friends. There is a good possibility of market breaking the support and going up. And if dollar breaks the support and goes down, then definitely Euro USD will break the resistance and go up, and you can take a buy position. Wait for 3 to 4 hours and just see how the dollar is doing, how the Euro USD is doing. If you see that selling pressure is eminent on dollar, if Euro USD is comfortably trading above this resistance level, then definitely this will be the new support. Yes, this will be the new support, because resistance will become the new support and you can go for buy here. But on the other hand, if Euro USD fails to break the resistance right now, then do not short the market and don't do anything. As long as market is trading between this range here. You can see that right now Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here. So as long as it is trading here, don't do anything. Okay, wait for the market to go up. And in case there is a sudden buying on US dollar, okay, in case there is a sudden buying on US dollar, then definitely there will be a big red candle on Euro USD. Then you can short Euro USD, considering that it will not be able to cross the resistance. That's a different chapter. But right now, let's see where the market does. And on the other hand, if it tests this level and bounces from here, by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever, okay, you can go for buy at 1.1600. But right now, wait for the market to cross this level and do not trade on Euro USD as long as it is trading between this trend line and this resistance. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.